As baby boomers reach retirement, the staggering costs of long-term care are bringing it to the forefront of our national media's attention. The Wall Street Journal, Parade Magazine, Kiplinger Report, Newsweek, and many others are encouraging Americans to plan ahead for their own long-term care, recommending by name LTC Financial Partners. Join me as we talk with Steve Foss, one of Connecticut's leading long-term care insurance specialists. Steve, isn't it true that among the greatest problems that Americans face today regarding their long-term care are the misconceptions that keep them from planning properly?
Many people think that their health insurance covers long-term care costs, but it seldom does. They believe that disability insurance is the same as long-term care insurance, which is not true. Still others plan to have Medicare or Medicaid pay for their long-term care costs, when in reality, Medicare covers very little long-term care costs, and Medicaid only covers the costs after the individual has exhausted most of the assets they've acquired over a lifetime.
Isn't the misconception that long-term care insurance is nursing home insurance just as dangerous?
The fact is that 82% of people who need long-term care are at home or in assisted living facilities. The costs of long-term care can be staggering. For instance, the annual cost of long-term care in a nursing home or in your own home averages over $77,000 annually. Right here in Connecticut, our average is $110,000 a year. If recent trends continue by 2021, the cost will be over $200,000 a year.
Is the government taking any responsibility for the costs of our long-term care?
The government has made it quite clear that we are responsible for the costs of our own long-term care. There are no government programs on the horizon to pay for these costs. Poor planning is the greatest danger that Americans face. With a little education and help from a specialist, proper planning is not complicated. There are a variety of plans offered by top insurers that can meet almost everyone's needs. You can have the security of knowing that funds for care will be available without bankrupting your retirement portfolio or burdening your children and loved ones. Long-term care insurance can be a blessing for millions who want to live longer, healthier lives free of undue worry.
So is long-term care insurance for everyone?
Not everyone needs long-term care insurance, but everyone should have a long-term health care plan. As a partner in the nation's most experienced long-term care insurance brokerage, I supply people like you each day with independent and objective information on long-term care insurance. Because I am not bound to any one insurance company, I can help you select among several top-rated companies to find the best solution for your situation. Protect your financial assets and your family's well-being today by calling me, Steve Foss, your state-certified long-term care expert.
You may also request a free copy of the book Dignity for Life, 5 Things You Should Know Before Considering Long-Term Care Insurance. Co-authored by Steve Foss, Dignity for Life will help you as you plan for your own long-term care. Available on Amazon.com for $8.95, you can get your own copy free by calling Steve today or requesting it online.